close to them physically in some way if they can. How could they do it, Courtney and Father?
Well, you can find Carlo Acutis' tomb in the beautiful city of Assisi in Umbria, Italy, where when you go to the tomb, you actually see his body, and you see this young boy who died at 15 years old in jeans, a track jacket, and Nike sneakers. Pier Giorgio Frassati is buried in Turin, Italy. A new museum dedicated to the life of Pier Giorgio Frassati just opened up in Turin this summer. But
we sat down to 7. They all said that they would not have a problem as long as all of the documents are released, even if their names. And without that,
early into my Christian life, I latched on to Hal Lindsey's book. That's perfect contrition. Perfect contrition would be where you're sorry for your sins because you love God and you acknowledge that you did something wrong in his eyes and you want to repair the damage because you love him. Because he loves you and he loved you first, and you respond to him with your love by his grace. That's why, if death should catch you unawares before you are actually welcomed into the church formally.
Pier Giorgio Frassati went on pilgrimage to Assisi as well, where you can see, these great saints from history, St. Francis of Assisi and St. Clare. And something interesting that we learned from